Discover Adopt Me Secret Trading Hub. Unlock a hidden spot and make the most epic trades with exclusive items.
Hey Adopt Me fans! Ready for a game changer? Discover the Secret Trading Hub. This hidden gem is your key to the best trades ever. But it's exclusive, so let's keep it between us pro traders. To find this secret hub, head towards the main plaza, then take a sharp left past the nursery. Look for the mysterious door with a golden handle. Voila! You're in. Use those map clues wisely, and you'll unlock the entrance in no time.
Inside, you'll find rare items galore. From legendary pets to exclusive toys, this spot boosts your trading success tenfold. Make sure to strike those exclusive deals and become the ultimate trader in Adopt Me. Pro tip: timing is everything. Check the item value before you trade. Be smart and strategic. This hub gives you the edge, but only if you play your cards right. Maximize those trades and watch your inventory grow. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Hidden within the hub, a surprise item awaits the keenest traders. These game-changing finds are a must-grab. Unlock them and elevate your Adopt Me experience to legendary status.
Ready to join the trading adventure? Head to the hub now, share your epic trades in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more hidden Roblox secrets every day. Let's trade like pros.